Okay, okay. So yesterday's class we have the amplitude and the phase. What is the amplitude formula we got in the force amplitude? That formula we got. What is the formula? But that is F by m divided by F by m divided by 4 or 2 square b square p square plus of, okay, omega square minus p square into whole square. So we got, this is the value of amplitude. And alpha value what we got, 2bp divided by omega square minus p square. This we have the equation last class. Okay, what is this miss? The force vibration amplitude, that is F by m divided by two terms you are getting. So with the help of this, okay, we are having the three cases. What two three cases means? The dependent of amplitude and phase on the applied frequency. Applied frequency. For example, how we will write that three cases pen. So one case, P is greater than, very smaller than omega. What is the P? P is the applied force, periodic force. You know the force vibration means you need to apply an external periodic force. That frequency taken as a P. And natural frequency of that spring, natural frequency of that body is taken as a W, angular frequency or natural frequency. Therefore, if in case for that body P is very smaller than the omega, it is there means we apply these values there. For example, one term is there. What term? Omega square is minus p square is that admitted. Omega square minus p square is there. So when p is very smaller than the omega means what is this value will be positive or negative? Positive or negative? So for example, p is smaller than, so p the omega is the 4, okay, 2, it means this is a positive value. So for such case the amplitude will be A is equal to F by omega m divided by omega square, because it is very smaller, therefore you are going to neglect this term, whole term. So what whole term? 4p square you are neglecting, then omega square it will be written as it is. Therefore F by m is equal to omega square. This is the one amplitude, or this amplitude is the case of when the applied frequency is very smaller than the natural frequency. One case is there. What about its phase value or the angle in between these two? For example, what is the formula? Tan inverse of 2bp divided by omega square minus p square is the formula for the alpha. Again, omega square minus p square is approximately omega square, because this is very small. Very small means neglecting the values of p. Omega square is there. Therefore, tan inverse of 2p b divided by omega square. So this is approximately equal to 0. So tan inverse of 0 is nothing but what, but 0. Therefore the angle whatever is projecting, this is the on the same line only. Therefore it is the same path, it is not going to change this path. So in this way the dependence or the displacement and the force will be in the same line. There is no not any angle for between these two. So this is the second case. Or you will take another one case. Natural frequency and applied frequency are equal. Applied frequency and natural frequency are equal. For such case, what we will write? We know that p square minus omega square, this will be 0. So directly in the formula, what formula? A divided by omega square minus p square under root of 4, whatever is there. This term will be 0. This term will be 0. Only this term will be written back. Therefore, that amplitude A will be written as F by m divided by 2bp. It will give back. It is. Or you know the damping constant in the last class. What is that? 2b is equal to r by m is the damping constant on formula is there. So wherever 2b is there, I substitute the rb, then f by m divided by r by m into p you will write. Or p is equal to what? P is equal to again W. Therefore, A is equal to F by M divided by R by M into, you can write omega. So M get cancelled. What will write? A is equal to F divided by R into W. So this is the amplitude in case of when applied frequency and the natural frequency is same. You will get this case. Or another one case, or for this, what alpha, what you will write? Alpha is equal to what? Tan inverse of 2bp by omega square minus p square is standard angle formula is there. So again omega square minus p square is same. Therefore tan inverse of 2bp divided by these both same means 0. So 1 by any number by 0 means it will be value is the infinity. Therefore tan inverse of infinity, this will be the 2 by 0 into 1 by 0 means 90 degree or pi by 2. Therefore this is the maximum displacement. This is the maximum displacement, means 90 degree is there, right hand side or left hand side. So this is the actually the condition for the resonance. It means maximum amplitude is going to cover. So amplitude is here maximum, vibration is very high in that case. Therefore sometimes you call this is the resonance in the coming topic. So what do you mean resonance? Means when the amplitude of the body is very high, then that condition we will call the resonance. We will discuss there. So third case, what is that? P is greater than, very greater than omega. It has been noticed that, what is that? Omega square minus P square. P is very greater than the, means only omega square will not be going to consider. Therefore only P square will be there. Therefore P square minus omega square can be written as P square to the square or P to the power of 4. It will be there. So substitute same thing, same thing in the formula. Then you will write that F by M divided by 4B square P square plus P square square. What is this? Here P omega square minus P square in place we are substituting P square only. We are removing the omega square. Therefore what remains here? Okay, or alpha is, or we can rearrange this term is equal to, or terms 4b square p square or 2 square b square p square is very smaller than the p square to p to the power of 4. Therefore very small. Therefore if you are neglecting this value, means it retains only p4 value. So he may write like that, f by m divided by only whole things we will write p to the power of 4. Okay, or f by m divided by square root ನೋಡೋಕನ್ನ ಏನಾಯ್ತು
ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್
ಏನು ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅದ ಬಂತಾ